Hi Botswana, my name is Goitseone Gumbo. I'm a girl of 18 years old. Singing has always been my dream. I want to go to New York in order to gain exposure. One of the few artists that like a lot is Jennifer Hudson, Celine Dion, and Whitney Houston. I believe our children, our future. Teach them well and let them lead the way. Show them all the beauty they possess inside. Give them the sense of pride to make it easier. Let the children's laughter remind us how it used to be. I decided long ago, never